Ernie Duncan back again. Ernie's the luckiest man in this place. Really is. I don't mean he's won the lottery or anything like that, but he's married to Margaret. I've got to say that because I've got a left team in it. But anyway, Ernie Duncan with Och Aye, the Q.
This was written by Dorothy Aitchison from Whitburn. She was a member of the Whitburn Writers Guild. So I've got permission to use it. There's some references to church people, but none of them obviously apply to East Calder. Hear this, ye canny wacket. Days lang syne or new. The pride of bonny Scotland, the braw big heilan coup. But when you stop and think of it, they look like all the folk. There's Mother Brown and Hairy Bob, and there's another that looks like Jock. I can see my classy neighbour, that you know the street. I'm sure she's hidden horns as real as hairy heilan feet. Shh, there's een like our minister, kind of thick and chunky. No disrespect to him, mind, but he can be a right wee monkey. And that is like our session clerk, he's kind of thick as well. I mean around the middle, so as they keep real. And there's yon cleaning woman, she's into everything. Try to stop her in her tracks, she'll kick you in the shin. Well, he's awful like our elder. He's a wee bit bare and bald and top. He's aye looking for her money, just like fairy. Oh, soft soap. I can see myself in them too, kind of hairy past my best. I'll do a wee bit thing, see, and then I'm looking for a rest. Och, it's an education. Can you no see what I mean? Yon beastie standing over there, just like some folk you've seen. Mind, there's nothing could replace it. I tell you that right now. For the pride of bonny Scotland is our braw, big heilan coup.
That's the first time I've taped that one, and I think I'll be going to the session with that one. Was that what that special meeting was about last week?
Go see it.